In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Steam to connect Ps4 Controller to Windows PC. First, make sure Steam is open and that you're signed in. Steam is what will handle the controller translation for Windows and make your Ps4 gamepad behave the way games expect. With Steam running, look to the top left for the Steam menu, then open Settings. In the Settings panel, choose Controller, and then click General Controller Settings. This opens a small window dedicated to device support. Here, check the box labeled PlayStation Configuration Support. Turning this on lets Steam recognize your Ps4 controller by name, apply the correct button layout, and enable per-game profiles where supported. It's a small checkbox that makes a big difference in how reliably your inputs are detected. Next, connect the controller with a cable. Use a micro USB cable from the port on the front of your Ps4 controller to a USB port on your PC. If you have a choice, plug into a USB 3.0 port for the most stable data connection on many PCs. These ports are marked with blue plastic inside. A solid, data-capable cable helps ensure the controller both powers on and communicates properly. Micro USB has a narrower top edge and a wider bottom edge. Line it up gently and avoid forcing the connector. Shorter, well-shielded cables tend to be more reliable than very long ones, especially if your USB ports are on the front of a desktop case or through an unpowered hub. After you plug it in, pause for a moment. Give Windows about 10 to 15 seconds to install the basic driver and finish identifying the device. You don't need to click anything during this part, just let it settle. As soon as the system finishes, Steam should show a notification that a PlayStation controller has been detected. That's your confirmation that everything is wired up and the PlayStation configuration support you enabled is doing its job. From here, you can launch your Steam games and use the controller right away. The familiar PlayStation button prompts may appear in compatible titles, and your sticks, triggers, and touchpad click will register through Steam's input layer. If you ever return to this settings area later, you'll see your controller listed there whenever it's connected, which is a quick way to confirm it's recognized. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.